Good afternoon, students. Today we will talk about enterprise software applications. When we talk about technology, it's sometimes overwhelming to keep on the top of new terminologies and trends. Enterprise application software is a term we have often heard about, and in general, enterprise application software is a large scale software that is aimed to support and solve the problems of the entire organization. This large scale software allows different users roles define the actions and specific user can perform that. Suppose we can take the example like enterprise software includes many functions and abilities. Salespeople can log client information, including their personal and product information and client location in the sales pipeline. Customer service, you may have the look of it like, wait. Salesperson can log the information, including their personal and product information and client location in the sales pipeline. And customer service representative can track the client issues and communication along with their responses and updates. Managers and executives can track their client and employee performance. So these are the examples. Now we will talk about what is an enterprise. Before we jump into the software side of the things, let us define what we mean when we talk about the enterprise. An enterprise is defined as a unit of economic organization or activity, especially a business venture and organization. The key piece to understanding enterprise is size. An enterprise could be surely described as self-employed entrepreneur or a small business. ठीक है. But it is more often used to describe very large organizations that have many activities and many functions. Examples of the enterprise includes parts of an entire local, state, federal government entity, medium to large size company that may work across the entire country internationally, school systems, or any non-profitable organization that may work in many areas. तो डिफाइनिंग एंटरप्राइज सॉफ्टवेयर like now we understand ki enterprise kya hota hai, and we can look at the software side of an enterprise. And enterprise is a large scale organization, so it follows that enterprise application software is a large scale software hota hai, theek hai. Beyond just the size of the software, enterprise application software typically refers to the software that provides critical solutions to the majority of the organization. If the software take cares of the majority of the task and the problems to the enterprise, then it can be defined as enterprise software. Uh, we can also use a short form EAS for the enterprise application software, and it is also known as enterprise software, enterprise application, enterprise app. And major activities of the enterprise application software are basically divided into two sections: the display, manipulation, and storage of large amount of data, complex data. Second is the support or the automation of the business processes that rely on this data. While there is no single set of characteristics which we can define for the enterprise software, common characteristics includes like its performance, scalability, robustness, business oriented, critical to the mission of the enterprise, ability to interface with other enterprise software that enterprise relies on, centrally managed and compromised for a suite of computer programs such as common business applications and tools used in modeling the entire organization, and the development tools to build the applications for any organization. And common uses of enterprise software include order processing, procurement, scheduling, customer information management, energy management, and accounting. How enterprise software is different from other types of software. Software is a set of electronic program that we all know, and computer reads all the programs to perform a specific task. So there are two types of software: system software and application software, that we have already read in our bachelor's as well. System software refers to the software programs that help the computer to run like operating system. ठीक है. On the other hand, application software are the day-to-day software which rely to create documents, databases, spreadsheets, presentations, etc. The application software can be further divided into two types, that is application that serve the purposes for the individuals, and such as enterprises. If the software only caters to a specific or a small portion of the enterprises, it not may be considered as application enterprise application software. Further, enterprise application software is not meant to support or work for the hobbies of the individual, such as Microsoft Word and Excel spreadsheet, etc. So with this, uh, we are done with the enterprise application software. I will share the link with you, and next will be done in the next class. Thank you.